Welcome back to another video. Soil here, and today I want to talk about two main approaches in technical analysis: price action trading and indicator trading. First, let's see what each of these trading methods means and how they differ from each other, and then we'll explore the pros and cons of these analytical approaches to see which one is better. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, let's begin with price action trading. What is price action trading? Price action trading is a trading method that only focuses on the price chart, a naked price chart without any indicators. You only analyze the price movements. In other words, you take your trading decisions based on price action. The tools and concepts that price action traders use are candlestick patterns, trends, support and resistance levels, and chart patterns. And also volume is used in price action trading. By focusing on the price and not using indicators that are derived from the price action traders believe that they can identify changes in the price movement in the early stages of developing. The advantages of price action trading are flexibility, which means that price action trading gives you more control on your trading decisions because you make your trading decisions based on your analysis of the price action and you draw conclusions based on your unique interpretation. This gives you flexibility when you're trading and adaptability. Besides its subjective nature of interpretation, the way you use price action trading is also subjective. There is no right or wrong way in this trading method, and you can adapt to the current situation of the market or use it in a way that fits your trading style and system. And disadvantages of price action trading: it's not easily automated. It's very difficult to make price action analysis automated. Actually, writing a trading algorithm based on price action concepts needs advanced level of computer programming. And the subjectivity that we talked for the advantage of price action trading can also be considered disadvantage, especially for beginners, and they may find it confusing and it takes time for them to fully understand what interpretations to hold on or what signals are significant enough for trading. Mastering price action trading demands ongoing study and practice, and years of experience shape the trader's ability in this trading method. Now let's talk about indicators. What is indicator trading? Indicators are derived from the price. They are actually mathematical and statistical formula based on the price, and in some of them we have also volume. So indicators lag behind the price. We have also some leading indicators, but in terms of directly working with the price, they are still behind some formulas. But price action trading works with the price movement itself. Advantages of indicators are they are easy to learn. Indicator-based trading is very easy to learn, and the signals that are generated by indicators are clear and straightforward. They mean the same thing to most of traders, so it's a good choice for beginners, and all they need to do is to add indicators to the chart and learn how to interpret and get the signals from the indicators. And second advantage, they are not subjective. Indicators are not subjective and they are not dependent to an individual interpretation. So indicators are less prone to human errors because they are calculated purely based on a formula. And indicator trading can be easily automated because indicators are based on mathematical formula. And disadvantages of indicators: they generate late signals. Indicators lag behind the price and the signal they generate is usually late, and traders lose some parts of the movement. And also indicators are very prone to false signals, and many of the time the generated signal turns out to be a false signal, which requires us to have more interpretation and confirmations from other tools and concepts before taking any trading decision. Alright, until now we learned what price action trading and indicator trading are and what advantages and disadvantages each of them has. In compared to price action trading, trading based on indicators is easier and the learning is faster, so it's a better choice for beginners. But this convenient doesn't also mean more profit, and in terms of profitability, price action trading can be more profitable because it provides more opportunity of spotting changes in the early stages of developing. But as I said, price action trading can be difficult for beginners, and mastering price action trading demands ongoing study and experience, and usually experienced traders feel more comfortable with price action trading and they are able to successfully apply the concept for trading. Now we come to the main question: which one is better, price action or indicators? Choosing between the two trading approaches depends on your trading style and your preference as a trader. Each of them can be considered good for you as long as you can consistently make profit by your approach. There are traders who use only one indicator and they are consistently profitable, and there are also traders who have dozens of indicators cluttered on their chart and they are profitable. And there are also traders who use naked chart applying solely price action concepts and they can make consistent profit. And there are also traders who use the same price action approach and they may interpret it differently and end up with loss. And the same goes with the indicators. So if you're wondering which trading approach between indicators and price action is better to use, it's highly recommended to use both of them and apply mix of price action concepts and indicators together. And by doing this, you become more familiar with both approaches and you can better develop strategies. And also by doing this, the strength of one approach covers the weakness of the other approach. And if you find out that you are not comfortable with each of them, you can stick with the other one. The point is that choosing between price action or indicators or mix of them depends on your trading style and preferences, and you must develop a trading system that is consistently profitable in the long run. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.